Hey Mr. Bird, this is Fabian now here at Jimmy Chevrolet. Just wanted to send you this quick little personalized video of your 2007 Ford F-150. Of course, this is one of the most recent trades that we've gotten in, and it is in good condition. Previous owner took really good care of this vehicle. Not a lot of scratches or dings on it. It's ready to go. And of course, nice cloth interior. They did have mats in the back. Going up front, you got your powered windows right here, powered doors, powered mirror. Nice armrest right there with your cup holders. And of course, you do have your AC controls right here with your audio. As we speak, just over 184,000 miles on the vehicle. So I do look forward to seeing you in within the hour. I'm gonna have it pulled up ready to go for your test drive. So come on down, check it out. And once again, this is Fabian with Jimmy Chevrolet.